Serving amounts are easily changed. Just check the web page for correct ingredient measurements. Here are the ingredients for pan-seared cod with creamy fennel sauce. You'll need cod, bacon, olive oil, fennel, garlic clove, chicken broth, cream, sun-dried tomatoes and oil, Dijon mustard, salt, and black pepper. Okay, let's start by mincing the garlic clove, slicing the bacon, and removing the stems and outer skin on the fennel, then slicing it into quarter-inch strips. Heat a sauté pan over medium heat and add the bacon. Fry it up for about 6 to 8 minutes until it's semi-done. Then remove it and set it aside. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the pan and add the fennel. Add salt and pepper and sauté it for about 5 minutes. Add the garlic, the chicken broth, the cream, and the chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Cover the sauté pan, lower the heat to a simmer, and cook it for 20 minutes. Now, salt and pepper the cod on both sides. Heat a separate sauté pan over high heat until it's close to smoking. Then, add 2 tablespoons of oil to coat the inside of the pan. Add the cod and sauté for about 4 minutes. Gently flip and sauté it for an additional 3 minutes. Now add the mustard and bacon to the sauce. Stir it up and cook for an additional 2 minutes. Spoon the sauce onto a plate and place the sautéed fish on top. And you've got a delicious pan-seared cod with a creamy fennel sauce. From simplefoodie.com.